Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet and spicy chicken wings in the oven. These chicken wings aren't overly sweet or overly spicy. They have just the perfect balance of both and they are very easy to make. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So here I have 14 chicken pieces which have already been cut for me. What you want to do with them is wash them with some lemon, lime or vinegar, anyone you have on hand. Then pat them as dry as you can with some paper towels. After that, set it aside. In this small bowl, I have 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Mix this well to combine. Next, get the chicken and drizzle 2 tablespoons of oil over it. You can use vegetable oil, olive oil, or whatever oil you have on hand. Mix to coat each piece evenly. If you haven't already, start preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, get the pre-made seasonings and pour them over the chicken wings. Mix to make sure that each piece is coated evenly. Get an oven rack and arrange the chicken pieces on it, making sure that they are well spaced out. Next, slide the rack into the oven with a tray underneath it to catch any spills. Then shut the door and leave to bake for 20 minutes. In a small saucepan over medium heat, melt in 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is completely melted, add in a 1/4 cup of garlic chili sauce. Mix well to combine. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon balsamic vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix well, then leave to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the chicken out of the oven and turn each piece over to make sure that each side cooks evenly. Once you are done doing this, return the rack to the oven and leave the chicken to bake for an additional 20 minutes. After the additional 20 minutes, take the chicken out of the oven and place each piece in a large bowl. Now, get your sweet and spicy sauce and pour it over the chicken. Mix well to make sure that each piece is coated with the sauce. And that is how you make sweet and spicy chicken wings in the oven. Make sure to give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Also check out our other chicken videos as well. I'll see you in my next video.